How do you get a protective order as a petitioner? Have you ever wondered how to get a protective order if you feel threatened or unsafe? It can be a daunting process, but understanding the steps can help you feel more secure. Let's break it down together. First, you need to determine if you are eligible. To qualify for a protective order, you must be a victim of domestic violence, stalking, sexual abuse, or harassment. This means you have experienced threats or actual harm from someone, often a family member or someone you know. Once you confirm your eligibility, the next step is to file a petition. You will need to go to the appropriate court, usually the family or superior court in your county. In this petition, you will provide detailed information about yourself and the person you need protection from. This includes their full name, date of birth, and address. You must also explain why you need protection, citing specific instances of violence or threats. After filing the petition, you will need to provide evidence to support your claims. This can include police reports, medical records, or witness statements. If you have witnesses who can testify about the situation, that can be helpful during the hearing. In many places, you can request a temporary protective order. This order provides immediate protection until a full court hearing can take place. Typically, this hearing is scheduled within 10 to 30 days after you file your petition. During the court hearing, both you and the person you are seeking protection from will have the chance to present evidence and share your stories. The judge will then decide whether to issue a longer-term protective order based on what you both present. If the judge grants the protective order, it may include several terms. These can prohibit the respondent from contacting or approaching you, your children, or your home, workplace, or school. The order might also restrict the respondent from having firearms or requiring them to attend counseling. If children are involved, the order may address custody or visitation rights as well. It is important to remember that protective orders are legally binding. Law enforcement can enforce them, and they typically last for a specific period. However, you can often request an extension or modification if needed. When dealing with family law issues, your safety is the top priority. If you have children, the court will also consider their safety and well-being. It is always a good idea to seek legal assistance or support from domestic violence advocacy groups to help you navigate this process effectively. By understanding these steps, you can take action to protect yourself and your loved ones. Remember, you are not alone in this, and there are resources available to help you through the process.